Hello lovely people of the internet. Today I have a package that I'm going to be unboxing. It is from the beautiful and talented milliner Belbeina Lee. She has made me some custom pieces and they are a surprise. I just said the sort of colours that I like generally and the styles that I like, and she has created some bespoke pieces for me. So let's find out what she sent me.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Very cute marketing. That is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. So, we have the first one, which is quite large. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is what I mean. How authentic does this look? This does not look like it was made now. This looks like it's a 1950s piece. I mean, look at that. Hopefully you can see the detail, and this is not too blown out, but it has gorgeous beading all over it. That is stunning. And it is actually in a creamy color, sort of almost like a milk or like a clotted cream color. And then it has pale cream beads and it has little see-through, slightly yellowish beads as well. You can see the beading up close there. And then on the inside, it has her label, her milliner's label, but then also the combs to keep it secured in your hair. I'm not going to attempt to put this on camera because I cannot see what I'm doing and I don't have a mirror in here, so I'm currently traveling in Australia at the moment. So I'm going to pop this on and come back and show you guys what it looks like. I swear to God, I did not know that one of the pieces was going to be white, and I have chosen little white rose earrings and a true vintage white rose beaded necklace. So this literally goes perfectly with this outfit. Look at that. How stunning is that with this outfit? I'm definitely going to film a reel in this, so I will do a cutaway of the full outfit, but that is just so beautiful and so authentic. That's what really caught my eye. Not only the pieces are in really tasteful, beautiful colors that really complement what you find in true vintage pieces, but also just her detail is not only so meticulous, but also really authentic looking. It looks like a piece that you would pick up in a vintage store. So I'm so happy. Let's find out what this second piece is. Oh my gosh, I did say green. Here we go. I'm seeing green in here. Oh, look at this. This is so versatile. If you guys follow me, you know I have a lot of green in my wardrobe, but look. This is such a great crossover piece for summer and winter. Like, you could pair this with pastels or you could wear it as winter colors. That is very pretty. Obviously I'm gonna go and pop this one on as well. I hope you can see it close. Oh, here we go, that lighting is good. The leaf detail on that is stunning. And once again, she's got her milliner's mark inside. And I'm obsessed. These are so beautiful. Look at that on the head. Isn't that just darling? And I like how, because of the curvature of it, and it's very sturdy, it's malleable, but it's solid, so it doesn't sort of bend out of shape super easy. You can place it really where you want on the head. So instead of making it central, because I swoop my hair to the side, I've placed it closer to my ear here, so it sits up higher there. But I've also seen her place them towards the back of the head. You know, other people have got them sitting quite forward, more like a headband. Others are sitting at the back, depending on their hairstyle. So it is really versatile and can complement what you've done with your hair. So yeah, I think gorgeous. Obviously this color is not meant for this outfit, but I will style these and share them in the video and in my reels and shorts and TikToks. So thank you so much, Belbeina Lee. I feel really blessed that you've contacted me and asked me to share your pieces and to have these beautiful bespoke pieces in my collection. So thank you so much. Don't forget to check out her Instagram. It's Belbeina Lee. I'll pop that up top here and in the description down below. To my knowledge, she ships just about everywhere because I've seen other people over in Europe sporting her pieces. So if you have any questions about shipping, do make sure to ask her and find out whether she'll ship to your country. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with other people who might love it. You can come and follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I am at Miss B Townsend everywhere. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, you're so far away!